a stupid chicken.
Yeah, she's a stupid chicken. I'm joking. Her name is Henny. She's very smart and she likes me.
The other one's showing me his butt.
The other one is a silly one.
Hiya, chicken. Please don't peck me.
Make it come up close. Okay, you need to make...
Save the chicken. Save the chicken.
It's okay. I didn't do it. She did it. No, it's because they don't really like to be grabbed that much. Here, I'll get it. I know how to.
These chickens are.
She's okay.
This is chicken crazy.
Chicken rule. I'm trying to pick it up and it's loud. Okay, they will do that.
Gosh,
You ever know how to do that? No.
this is interesting.
They look like they hate you, Krissa. Maybe they don't like your little brother.
Are you afraid of my little brother? Okay.
Idiot, Dorsey! This chicken's butt looks good.
Ew.
It's a chicken butt. It's a chicken butt. It's a...
Back to this chicken. I'm watching your every move, little chicken.
Yeah, she's watching you on every move. It's trying to speak to you. It's saying you are an idiot. I can't exactly get it.
Goodbye, chicken. You're boring. Chicken, run, little chicken.
She's saying I love you.
Awesome.
She thinks you would be a good cameraman.
Why don't you get up on the fence like you were before?
I can't get her. Like, she won't take her legs off of that.
Okay, go outside.